Meaning of inductee.
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 Inductee. The term inductee refers to a person who has been formally admitted as a member of an organization or group. This often implies that the individual has successfully completed a selection process and has met certain criteria or qualifications. In some cases, an induction ceremony may be held to celebrate the new members and initiate them into the group. Being recognized as an inductee can be a great honor or achievement for individuals, as it signifies their acceptance among the ranks of a particular organization or community.